Hey guys, it's Jay with iCarSTL.com, and today we're doing a walk around on the 2008 Volkswagen R32. It is the MK5 model, 3.2 liter V6, 250 horsepower. It has a 6-speed auto shift automatic transmission. It's painted in factory color candy white with black leather interior. 93,804 miles. It is in excellent condition. Some of the mods that it has on it are Porsche Brembo front brakes, bronze Sparco 18-inch wheels, Michelin Pilot Sport tires on all 4 corners, Froge Motorsports Induction kit. Does have the launch control from the factory, HID headlights, front heated leather seats, and driver and passenger climate control, as well as a power sliding sunroof. The car was traded in on a new BMW. We picked it up out of Arizona and brought it here because we thought that it's a really clean car and somebody here in Missouri would like to own it. It is an all-wheel drive, so it would do well in the snow and the winter months as well. All right, let's do a cold start. Muffler's cold. Alright, let's do a walk around and I'll show you some of the features and aftermarket stuff that has been put on it, as well as some of the blemishes in the paint, which isn't very many of them. First off, we've got the Porsche Brembo big front brakes. Here's your Michelin tires. The wheels look to be in excellent shape. There's a couple little flake job or pearl in this paint here. There's the sunroof. Here's your rear brakes. The calipers have been painted as well, and the rear tire and wheel in excellent shape. The exhaust, it does sound like it has aftermarket exhaust on it. I'm not sure what brand. Here is the other side wheel. All the wheels are in excellent shape and look to be brand new. The tires on it are 235/40 18s. It does show a accident on the Carfax report. The outside is pretty much flawless, just a couple of rock chips and stuff on the front hood, but nothing even real major. The inside, it does have, looks like somebody tried to paint that and it's kind of flaking off. Seats and everything are in really good shape. got all weather floor mats, front and rear. The back ones are WeatherTech, the front ones are from Volkswagen. Box. You pull the key out. Radio works. Does have heated seats, front, driver and passenger, and they all work. Air conditioning blows cold. So, sunroof tilts. Also opens. Sunglass holder.